Hello po. I'm Roella Gutierrez po from St. Paul University, Quezon City. So, hi po sa inyong apat. But my question po is for Ms. Micaela Papa. And,
ayaw mo kay Shara.
curious lang po ako, what could be the basis po that reporters should not present heroic acts during disaster reporting? Aren't we po as media practitioners should be, maybe this is too idealistic, but aren't we supposed to be in service of the Filipino and we should deliver messages?
Kaya ba ako pinapa-react?
And to Mr. Lives to deliver messages. And how sure are you po that what the other reporters are doing are just stand-uppers?
Sinabi ko ba na hindi totoo yung ginagawa nung nasa kabilang estasyon? Hindi.
I'm just...
Wala ko ba yan?
I'm just curious lang po of what could be the basis po. Maybe there are basis po of that.
Record. Ay! Papadala bang Myanmar yan? How do I know? Actually, as reporters, minsan mapapansin mo when a certain, yung kuha is staged. Kunyari, mapapansin mo when if a person actually went out of his way, kunyari, nasa loob na siya ng building, lumabas pa siya talaga, kahit na secure yung location niya, para lang makakuha ng video of him outside battling, him or her, battling the elements. Mati kami yan. And minsan naman, makikita mo, if a person is really, pag you were really caught outside talaga, na inabutan ka doon and you have no choice, kundi tulungan talaga yung mga tao around you. And there is nothing wrong with that. Tulad nga ng sinabi ni Miss Nico, hindi ka lang journalist eh, tao ka. So, kailangan tumulong ka din. But what I was trying to, my point was, with my presentation was, sometimes kasi, and sometimes this is not the fault of the reporter, sometimes it's the fault of the network or the broadsheet kung paano nila piniframe yung coverage mo, na they focus it on you. Diba? Ikaw ang ibinibida nila. Na, I mean, heroic actions are okay if you did it kasi tao ka, naawa ka, kailangan mo talaga silang tulungan. Pero pag ang lumabas na storya is, tinulungan ni ganito ang 100 tao, imbes na nailabas yung storya ng mga taong yon, that's where it becomes a problem. Kasi nakakahadlang siya dun sa pag-deliver mo nga ng accurate and detailed information. Kasi it's all about you. Nabawasan na ng airtime or nabawasan ng word count para dun sa storya ng ibang tao.
Thank you po, Miss, for